Chapter 9, Exercise 4, Part 1 of 10, Vice Body. Create a new file. Select Model Template. Enter the name, Vice Body, and store it in c09exr4 benchwise folder. Create a sketch. Select XZ plane as the sketching plane and draw the profile of the base feature. Enter 144 in length, angle 0, length 60, angle 90. Draw the horizontal line and start the next line from this origin and enter up to length of 36 mm and 90 degree. Horizontal length of 10 mm and 0 degree. Start dimensioning. Edit this dimension to 16 mm. Edit this dimension to 16 mm. Select make corner. This completes profile of our base feature. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select symmetric value. Enter the distance 32 mm. Select OK. Now hide the sketch. Now create a sketch for the second feature. Select this face of the base feature and select origin point to the origin of datum coordinate system. Say OK. Now select project curve. Select the bottom edge as well as these two edges. Say OK. Orient view to sketch. Now draw a circle at the x-axis 0 and the y-axis 36 with a diameter 16 Similarly, saw a circle with a diameter 32. Draw a line tangent like this and make corner. Edit this angle to 25 degree. Create a fillet of radius 3 at this point. Select mirror curves. Select single curve. Select the slanting line radius 3 and the horizontal line. Select the center line. Select the vertical axis. Say OK. Now trim the unwanted curve. This completes the sketch for our second feature. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Start distance 0 mm. Reverse the direction. Select end distance 22 mm. Select unite in the Boolean operation. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Now create the third feature in the same phase. Specify the origin point to the origin of coordinate system. Say OK. Select the project curve. Select the bottom of the sketch. Select offset. Select single curve in the filter and enter distance 7 mm. Select this curve and say apply. Similarly, select offset distance 9 and select this curve. Say OK. Now draw a vertical line. Edit this dimension to 8 mm. Select make corner. Select mirror the curve. Select single curve. Select this vertical line. Select the vertical axis. Select make corner. Similarly make corner. Draw a vertical line and Edit this dimension to 16 mm. Select right corner. Similarly, mirror this curve. Mirror this horizontal line. Create a corner. This completes sketch for our third feature. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Reverse the direction. Select through all. End distance through all. Select subtract from the boolean operation. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Now we are going to create the threaded hole. Select the hole tool. Select threaded hole. Select M6 into 1.0. To specify the point, create sketch section. Select this face and specify the origin point. Origin of datum coordinate system. Select include this edge as well as this edge. Say OK. Now specify the point. Start dimensioning. Edit this dimension to 38. And this dimension to 10 mm. Similarly, from this point to this point, edit this dimension to 70 mm. Edit this dimension to 10 mm. Finish the sketch. M6 into 1.0 pitch, normal to face, depth limit value 10 mm. Select subtract from the boolean operation. Say OK. Now create mirror feature. Select the M6 threaded hole. Select the existing plane. Select XZ plane. Say OK. Right click. Orient V to trimetric. Save the file. File. Close all parts. This completes chapter 9, exercise 4, part 1 of 10, Vice Body.